Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English literature. Student, now I'm going to teach you your chapter number 9, that is articles. Articles A, an, and the. These are articles. See the examples. I met a little girl on my way to office. She had an apple in one hand and a doll in the other. She offered half of the apple. The apple was juicy. Now see here, in the first sentence it was an apple, but in the last sentence both the apple, before the apple the is written. Now we have to highlighted the articles uses of a and. The highlight words a and the in the above sentence are noun. They are used with such a word, and these words are known as noun. Rule number A of using the articles, that is A. If the word begins with consonant sounds, we use A before it. Example, a book, a dress, a packet of fresh cream. If a word begins with the vowel sound, we use an. For example, an orange, an egg, an umbrella. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. For example, like our, hotel, honest, honor, and hire. Where there is H is silent, we use an R. An honest man and hire of to the throne. A and an are used in a singular number. A cat, an elephant, a tiger. Not a cat. Cats is a plural and elephants is plural. A tigers is plural. A and an are used with common noun that we use for the first time. My mother wore a beautiful red sari yesterday. Read these rules to find out. We use article the. We use article the with nouns that have already been mentioned before. I saw a bird in a tree. The bird then hopped. See, the first time a bird, second time the bird. Now it is a definite. Then hopped along the branches to its nest. We use the when we know that who or what we mean. We use, for example, the principal in of our school, the guard of our colony. We use the before the things that one of a kind, like the earth in a universal truth, the sun, the moon, the planet, the earth. And we also use the before the name of a place, like the mountain, the hills, the rivers. We also use the before proper noun denoting monuments, river, sea, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Arabian Sea. She is a very intelligent girl. He is the naughtiest boy in the class. I have a little puppy as a pet. A red apple grew on the tree. Mix the juice of an orange with some water and sugar. Now here we will write, I am very thirsty. Could you please give me a glass of water? An orange colored book is mine. The book has many pages. This is an exciting story. The story is well written. An apple a day keeps doctor away. The headman of the village is a very wise leader. I like the blue curtains in their drawing room. When I go for my holidays, I stay in the hotel. Let us go for a film in the evening. When an air freshener is used in the room. Suruchi has a beautiful cottage in the hills. Traveling to Japan was an interesting experience. The chairman of the company is an honorable person. Inside the Thar desert, the Thar desert is very big indeed. These apples are from the apple tree in my garden. My brother is in the class. Boys didn't want to play the football. I have book which you are looking for. I have a book. It is definite. Statue of Liberty is in the Statue of Liberty is in New York. Which is the most popular sports in the world? Here also we have to underline and again an Arabian desert is not all dry. There are some places in and so it is the in the desert with already shady trees and water stream. They are called oases. There is also is always the crowd. There is always the crowd of travelers in these places. They got water and shade there. They also get dates from date palm trees in an ocean, in an oasis. Dates are the kind of sweet fruits. Date palm tree like the coconut trees. So we have seen in this topic, in this chapter, that article a and the tells us something about the noun in the sentence. We use a before singular countable noun which begins with the consonant sound. We use an before singular countable noun that begins with vowel sounds, and we use an within silent h, and use the with the unique thing places we know about. We or also use the before proper noun. So read this chapter. We will meet in our next session with new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.